You may have heard about ChatGPT artificial intelligence technology. Some say it's groundbreaking technology, even compared to Google's. So the question is, what is ChatGPT? Who created it? How much its net worth? How does it work? And what makes it different from the dozens of other AI systems we currently have access to? If you have any of these questions on your mind, don't worry. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about this technology and how it works. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI for artificial intelligence research and refers to Generative Pre-trained Transformer. And it was created by the team at OpenAI, a research organization that works on developing artificial intelligence. The founders of OpenAI are Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, Wojciech Zaremba, and Elon Musk, who left the board in 2018. There are many other researchers, engineers and scientists who work at OpenAI and who have contributed to the development and improvement of language models like ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a number of different functions, including answering questions, solving mathematical equations, writing scripts, debugging and troubleshooting, translating between languages, creating text summaries, making recommendations, categorizing things, and explaining what something does, such as a block of code. In other words, it has a wide range of functions that have the potential to simplify the daily lives of many people. The chatbot is still a prototype today and is the latest in a long line of GPT technologies. The reason it is described as an alternative to Google is that it's able to provide many of the same functions that Google currently provides to users. It also has the ability to perform tasks such as creating content for websites and responding to customer inquiries. How much is ChatGPT's net worth? ChatGPT is a product created and owned by OpenAI, a private research organization, and it doesn't have a publicly stated market value. Additionally, the company does not disclose its financial information publicly, so it's not possible to determine the net worth of ChatGPT specifically. It's worth noting that OpenAI is a for-profit organization and it generates revenue through various means such as paid subscriptions for its models and APIs. However, the financial details of the company are not public and its net worth is not available to the public. How does ChatGPT work? So how does ChatGPT work? Like most AI systems, ChatGPT is trained by a large database of information from the internet. It has a chat interface which allows it to answer follow-up questions, decline certain requests, and learn when a glitch or error has occurred. It also makes it easy to use. This functionality may seem relatively unimpressive when chatbots are used for things like customer service, which have become popular, but the difference is that most chatbots have a small set of pre-programmed automated responses, while ChatGPT can respond directly to a query and adapt itself in the conversation much like a human. ChatGPT features. One of the main features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like responses to text input. This makes them well-suited for applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and conversational AI systems. For example, a chatbot built using ChatGPT can provide answers to questions, engage in natural conversation, and even create creative content such as poems and stories. There are also more features such as translation, writing articles, answering direct questions, writing code, as well as repairing it. Is there a ChatGPT app? While the text-based conversation format would make ChatGPT a great app to have on your smartphone, it's not available on iOS or Android, at least not yet. However, you can still use ChatGPT for yourself if you want to give it a try. You just need to go to the OpenAI website, select the banner called Introduce ChatGPT, and then choose Try. The website will then prompt you to create an account, and once that is done, you can log in and select the option to chat with ChatGPT. Why is ChatGPT a threat to Google? ChatGPT's biggest benefit may be a financial disaster for Google. By providing superior answers to the queries we currently put into the world's most powerful search engine. Google works by crawling billions of web pages, indexing that content, and then ranking it by the most relevant answers. Then it posts a list of links to click on. ChatGPT offers something even more exciting for jaded internet users, a single answer that relies on its own research and synthesis of that information. ChatGPT has been trained on millions of websites to acquire not only human-like conversation-making skills, but the information itself, as long as it goes online before late 2021. ChatGPT also provides a single and immediate response that requires no further searching than other websites. At Silicon Valley speak, this is a frictionless experience, something special when online consumers greatly prefer services that are quick and easy to use? What will be the future of Google, our jobs, and the world at large? What price are we about to pay for the universal availability of AI within everyone's reach?